How to create a website. Now, creating website is easy, you totally no need learn any coding. Before we start create website, we need tool. First, domain. Second, hosting/cloud. What is domain? Domain is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. So domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Example, google.com, amazon.com, alibaba.com. You need to get one domain for your website, yourname.com. What is hosting and cloud? Web hosting or cloud is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web hosting, or web cloud service provider, is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed in the internet. Websites are hosted, or stored, on special computers called servers. When internet users want to view your website, all they need to do is type your website address or domain into their browser. Their computer will connect to your server and your web pages will be delivered to them through the browser. Now we need to register a domain and hosting first. We go to vitacloud.com. Vita Cloud is providing domain register and web hosting or cloud service. Their web cloud service plan is affordable hosting for anyone who want to start their online business, create website, online store, blogging, and more. You can get the link at the discretion. Click on the link will bring you to Vita Cloud. Click on Web Cloud link. Here we can saw that 4 plan for us to choose. You can select the plan suitable for you. I recommend you take business plan. Here you can see the price charger per month. Unlimited website. 20 GB web space. 60 GB bandwidth. Free domain for 2-year or 3-year subscribe. You can install unlimited WordPress. Or other website builder as you like. You can saw that all check for business plan. Here we can saw the 36-month subscribe price, for the basic just $1.49 only, business plan is $4.99 per month. I choice business plan for my site. Click on the order now button. Then will bring us to the domain register page. I will register my new domain. If you already have your domain, you can use your domain name. My new domain name is fixtabiz.com. Click check. Here we can saw that mdomain is available. Add to my cart. Then click continues. Now we are bring to web cloud plan that I choose. Here are some description about the business plan web cloud. If I choose pay month is $16.99. Click the price here. We'll list all the subscribe price plan. I chose the triennially. Here we can saw that the cost we need to pay is change. $179.64 for business plan. You can choose the price plan suitable or you. Before click continues. I use calculator check the price first. Key in $179.64 used. Division 36 month. We get $4.99 used per month. Safe $4.32 used to pay month by month. Now we click on continues. Just click continues. Now we are at the checkout page. Here we can saw the price $179.64 used. The domain name register is free for the first year. Vita Cloud provide me a discount $36 used code for triennially purchase. I key in my promote code, GIFT36, and click the apply. I will share the promote code below the description. If you also purchase business plan triennially will get 36 used discount too. Here you can saw the cost I need to pay is changed to $143.64 used. Now we division 36 month. The price per month or business plan just cost $3.99. This is why I recommend you choose business plan. We continues to process the order. Click on the checkout button. We need to fill in our information to finish the process. Please fill in your correct info. The most important is your valid email. And remember to fill in the strong password. After finish, fill in your detail. Click on complete order. Then go to PayPal, make the payment. After that we can start to create our website. I would like to introduce you a tool. That is WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is an online website creation tool. It is a powerful blogging and website content management system, which is a convenient way to create and manage website. Here's some most popular big name brands using WordPress. Like BBC America, Sony Music, Microsoft News, TechCrunch, The Walt Disney Company, Facebook Newsroom, Toyota Motors Brazil, PlayStation Blog, and more. I can't list all the big company here, you can search it yourself. Go to your email account. You should receive the new register email. Click on the new account information. There was all your login detail. Got username, password, cPanel login link. There have two type of link. I will show you two type of login. First one. You will get the message say that our connection is private. This is okay, just click the advanced. Click the link. Here is the cPanel login page. Put in the username and password. Go back to my email, copy my username and password. Now we are success logged into cPanel. Second link to log in is more easy. Cause the link is my registered domain name, not IP, so the Google Chrome not show the secure massage. We direct to the cPanel login page. Same we need to key in the username and password. Now we are inside the cPanel. Inside cPanel have many tool can use to control our server. We can create subdomain. Create a FTP for us to transfers file to server. Create own email account with our domain. Or store our file to our server. Go to WordPress icon, click on it. Now we want to install WordPress. Click install. For the version we'll use the latest one. The website we want to install at the main domain name. So the directory kept it blank, if not the website will create into the folder name WP, not my domain name. Change my site name, fix Tabiz. Also edit the description. I put it as my company website. The admin account part is important. You can use the username you like or just follow. The password is for us to log in WordPress. Remember to use your valid email. The WordPress install info will send to your email. Scroll down. Click on the install. Wait for a second. Now our website is success install. Click the admin link. We now are at the WordPress dashboard. At the top right, we can click the visit site link to view our website. My new website not have any design. Just a simple blog page site. Here is the name and description I edit before install WordPress. We can change name and description at setting. Go back to dashboard. I want to get a design for my website. Go to appearance. Click on the themes. Here is our theme storeroom. I want to choose other design. So go to top the add new button. Click on add new. Here have many website design for us to use. We can choose the one fix our website design. I like to use the Astra theme for my website. Search the Astra. Click on install. Then active the theme. The theme was success install. Click the Get Starter. Select Page Builder. We use the Elementor This is Best website editor. Click on the Elementor website design. Here we can found many website designs suitable for our website. There was 100 over design here for us to use. Take some time to choose the one you like. I will use this co-working space design for my website. You can view the design. There have 5-page design. Just go a take look. I like the nice and clean. Still have the address map. I want to import this design to my website. Click on the import. Here you need to fill in name and email. Click on Start Importing Design. This will take a few seconds to load. Already success import the design. Click the view site to see how was the design. Is pretty awesome. The design is very professional. We go to look a full page design. I really like this design. This pro design will help growth up my company reputation. I so happy get pro design website. I want to customize my website now. Let's go back to the dashboard. Go to plugin. We need to install Elementor plugin. Click on the Add New. Search for Elementor. Click Install Now. Click Activate. The Elementor is success install and activate in my WordPress. We go to Page section. I want to edit my home page. Click on Edit with Elementor. We are now using Elementor Open Home Page. You can saw the full page design, no code. Just click the word you want to change it like typing word on your note. Today you totally no need to learn any coding to create website. I edit my banner fist. I would like to change it too. We are the best internet marketing company in Euro. Now, edit my banner slogan or short description. For edit the learn more, button is every easy. See how I make it. Scroll down, see what we have on the page. Here is the header and some text. You can edit just like I changed the banner word. Just click on what you want to change, just fill in what you like. Edit the page, use Elementor is very easy like you drinking water. Take some time on edit your site. If you need someone help you editing your site, go to Freelancer, hire a Elementor professional guy help you. Or you can learn on YouTube. There was many tutorials that guide you how to use Elementor design your own website. This video is going to end. The Web Cloud promotion code I put in the description below. Remember to use the promotion code for your business cloud plan. Good luck for your creating website journey. Following us, I will create more video regarding more type of website creation and online marketing video. See you on next video.